in on that as we go through the show. Now, get up, DC. It's time for another news where we will take a look at the news stories that may not be on your radar, but should be. States are moving to ban fake urine. Now, it's typically used to cheat drug tests. Yeah, that's fake urine, Jan. But this ban potentially ruins Halloween for the creepiest kid in the class. Yeah. Now, in other news, during a performance on Saturday Night Live, Cardi B revealed a baby bump, announcing both her pregnancy as well as her baby's brand new mixtape, Invasion of Privacy 2, Holla at Your Boy, or Girl, I don't know what I am yet. In other news, Cuba is seeing a steep decline in U.S. travelers. Reasons include travel restrictions, Hurricane Irma, Trump's aggressive stance against the Cuban government, and our prevalence of fake urine. Now, in other news, and we'll see if I can work fake urine into this one too. In other news, Backpage, this should be easy. Backpage founder Michael Lacey has been charged in connection with a federal human trafficking investigation. Now, Lacey co-founded the online classified advertising site, which authorities have alleged served as a willing participant in the online sale of sex. Now, I can't comment on Lacey's guilt or innocence, but I did visit Backpage to investigate this story, and now my laptop has crabs. Let me know what Backpage did to your computer with the hashtag